This week, I designed a multi-page website along with its responsive design, that is the mobile version. It is a travel or trip booking website which I have designed in Figma. First, I went to Pinterest and Behance and looked for some inspirations. Once I found some, I added them to the mood board. Then, I created a basic wireframe of how my website should look. Then, I made the design system which included the fonts and the colors of my website. Later, I also added some components and its variants to this system. And finally, when all that was completed, I designed the entire website. So this is the home page or the landing page. This is the blog page. This is the mobile version of the home page. And this is the mobile version of the blog page. Also, these are some pop-ups that I've designed, which I will show you in action in a few seconds. And these are the variations of the nav bar when you hover over different tabs. I have used a 12-column grid system for the desktop version and a 4-column grid system for the mobile version. Now I'll show you how the website looks in the presentation mode in Figma. So, this is how the landing page looks on a desktop. It also has a working nav bar. When I click on the Contact tab, it scrolls down to the Contact section or the footer. When I click on the Camping tab, it scrolls down to the Camping section. Then, when I hover over the pricing, you can see this drop down. This is the nav bar I was talking about, where the color of each tab changes as you hover over it. These all animations were possible using prototyping in Figma. If you go to the design and click on the prototype tab, you can see these arrows. This is what helps with this flow and animations in Figma. Then, when you hover over Book a Trip, the color of the button changes, and when you click on it, this pop-up opens. Isn't that cool? Then, next is the blog page. After opening it, after 2 seconds, a pop-up will open. This is common on many websites where they ask you to sign up for their newsletter. So this is how the blog page looks. Here, I have made a card component and reused it just like we do in development using coding. Then, this is the mobile version of the landing page. It has a working hamburger menu of navbar, which was again possible because of prototyping in Figma. And finally, this is the mobile version of the blog page. So, what do you think of this design? If you loved it, I've got another one for you. This is a small web app that I made entirely using Figmake, which is the AI website builder of Figma. I was really blown away with this amazing result. Just look at it, how clean it is. It is a reminder app. You can see the different colors used for priorities like high, medium, low. Different views to see the reminders like the calendar view and other views. It even has a dark mode and light mode feature. Just how cool AI has become. I'll even set a reminder in this and show you that it's working. As you can see, we got the notification or reminder with a sound. Currently, the website doesn't have a database attached to it, and if I refresh, my newly added reminder will go away. But we can even connect to Supabase or other database in Figmake. Guys, this is the future. That's it for this video. This is your boy Prithvi, signing off.